Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Renee Galvin. I am an author and illustrator of picture books. And today we are going to draw one of the characters named Lines. She is from my newest book called Paper Jam, and she is in a silly position right here, but we are going to draw her standing straight up. So grab your pencils and paper and erasers and join along with me. If you don't have a pencil, just grab whatever you can find. Art doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to make one. Let's draw lines. Okay, this is our drawing sheet. You can find this on my website, reneegalvin.com, if you want to print it out, but I'll have it with me and we can follow along together. So the first shape, if you look at lines, you can tell that she is a basic shape of a rectangle. So step number 1 is to draw a rectangle. And if I go too fast, you can always pause the video. So here we are going to draw a rectangle. The next step is step number 2. And number 2 shows the outline of her eyes. If you see, we can do a letter C and a backwards letter C to make those eyes. Her mouth, if you turn it to the side, is a letter D. So we're going to use our alphabet to draw. And it's in the middle of her face. So we're going to go line here and here to make our letter C. And then we're going to do a backwards letter C and our letter D. Once we have that, then we're going to add the centers of her eyes and her tongue. Centers of her eyes? What shape are those? You're right, they're circles. And her tongue is an arch. So we're going to arch her tongue, and then we can fill this in. And then we're going to go a circle and a circle. The next step is number 4. And on this step, we've added the eyelashes and the eyebrows. So let's do that. Eyelashes are just little curved lines or letter U's. Her eyebrows are long lines. There's a little curve at the top here, and then we just connect those lines. A little curve at the top, and then connect the lines at a point. Now we have completed her eyelashes and her eyebrows. Next step is her little paper clip. The paper clip is just a number 6. And can I tell you a secret? I hide a number 6 in every one of my books. Next up are her little holes. They are ovals, and we're gonna go one up top, one in the middle somewhere, and one close to the bottom. Then what we're gonna do is add her lines. You can do these blue and pink, but I'm just gonna do them black and white. So we're going to draw a line here, really light and little, and a line here that kind of goes between her eyes, and there's another one here, and you can make your lines wherever you want them to go. And then she has a line that goes down, just like your papers, on the side. The last step is to add her arms and her legs. And they are just rectangles. I'm going to make her wave at you. And now we have lines. The last thing that we do as an artist when our artwork is totally finished is what? Yes, we sign our name. So let's sign our name to our artwork. And now you have a completed masterpiece. You should be so proud. Lines looks great. If you had a lot of fun drawing with me today, you can draw more with me on my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.